To create this ads video, simply go to chatgpt.com. Upload your product image. Copy this prompt. Paste it here and press enter. Now copy the result. Search flow. Go to this link. Create with flow. Click on New Project. Upload the image in the first frame. Paste the prompt here. Select frames to video and aspect ratio. Video output numbers and VE 3.1 fast model and then press enter. Remember, always try multiple prompts to get the best result in an AI video. Here is the result. Hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.